Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own EasyMda cartridge in just a few minutes. So one way to create your cartridge is go to the website, to the source, create a clone, and from then there copy the cartridges and start from there. But I created a alternative that makes this process quicker. What you do is go to the download section and download this project builder zip file. Unzip the zip files to some location. You have then these files, and depending on your OS, run the bat file or the bash scripts. In this case, the bat file. And this opens up a swing application that shows me what templates I have. I pick the cartridge and I fill in the values. So something like this, hit finish, and it creates a number of projects that can be used as a quick start. I then open my Eclipse where I installed the plugin, and I import all the projects that we just generated. So we have a cartridge, a model, and a test generate. But we also have some errors that we need to fix first. We do that. How do we do that? First, we need to create a Java class plus variable EasyMda underscore drop-in that points to the Eclipse drop-ins and the EasyMda generator projects, like this. Okay. And the second is that we install new software from the standard software side, Eclipse software side. From there we select the modeling, and under the modeling we select the Eclipse modeling framework. That's what we need for our cartridge. Then we have still one error, but I leave that error for now. So let's have a look first at the cartridge project itself. To be a valid EasyMda cartridge, there are two requirements. One is that it is a JET enabled project. To find out if that is the case, do an Alt Enter. And here we see that this project is JET enabled because it has the JET settings. The JET settings has two fields: the templates that tells where we have our templates, and this tells us where we want to generate the Java classes from the templates. So here is the folder that should be in our source path. And one of the nice things of the JET engine is that if we delete the generated classes, okay, they come back again immediately. So if we make a typo in a JET file like this, and we do a save, okay, we get an error immediately. So we see the error at compile time rather than at runtime. So we get rid of this. Okay, we fixed the error. The other things that we have in this bare template project is that we created an annotation for you, a simple type. The other requirement for the EasyMda cartridge is that we have a class that implements this interface. So the generator will look for a unique class that implements this interface. From that, it can then register all the templates, and we can also add hooks and also substitute values that we need in the last wizard page. And here we have also an enum with just an enumeration for just one template that we have now with this cartridge. Then one question remains: how do we generate the cartridge itself with generator? Well, that's easy. Let's go to the Eclipse installation where we install the plugin. Go to the Droplets folder, the generator, and here we have a folder cartridges. And if we look inside this folder, we see 3 jar files that come automatically with the plugin. And we also have an example.link file. Let's open up that one in Eclipse. So here's the example.link file, and we get rid of this and put in the bin folder for our project. So I remove this one. I select the location of our cartridge project. Paste it here, but we need the bin folder. And we have to replace the slashes with forward slashes, also in Windows. Okay. I've also created a very simple model that we can use as starting point. So if we select the packages here, right click, generate code, see, and here is our cartridge that we just registered in Eclipse plugin. Next. We only have one template for now, but that's enough. This is okay. Finish. And here is our newly created Java file from our cartridge that we just created. So basically what you have to do to continue is copy and paste your reference code into new jet files under templates, and then replace all hard-coded values by jet variables and generate again. And in this process, do we have to go through all the wizard page to generate the code? No, we can do better. Therefore we have this test generate file. But first we need to solve this error. What this project is that it is a unit test, and in the unit test what we do here is that in the before class we tell the generator basically all the information that we would tell otherwise via the wizard pages, and then we can just unit test our generated code. But we have to prepare something, and therefore I deliberately added one error so that you cannot overlook this value. Here at this point you have to fill in your location of your Eclipse like this. And also here we change the slashes for forward slashes. And get rid of this. Okay, got rid of the error now. And we can run this unit test. Run this unit test. Voila. And because the last generated file is in your clipboard, you can very quickly see the result of your generator. Well, that's it. If you need more info, then download this developer's guide, and I hope you create nice cartridges. Thanks for watching.